Hi everyone, my name is Arun Kushwa and I am from the Cultural State, Gujarat. And currently I am pursuing the Bachelor's of Physiotherapy from the Apex School of Physiotherapy. Our faculties use various teaching techniques including boards and virtual presentation, PPTs and bony landmarks to explain topics thoroughly.
Hello, I'm Raghav. I come from the Dream City, Mumbai. Our university's electrotherapy lab plays an important role in physiotherapy by providing various treatments such as ultrasound, electrical stimulation, and laser therapy to manage pain, inflammation, and other musculoskeletal conditions.
I am Maitri and I am from Haryana. Anatomy and physiology are important areas of study in life sciences. In our physiology lab, we conduct various tests using advanced equipments and techniques to gain practical experience.
Hello, I am Jivan Sharma from Madhya Pradesh, studying Bachelor's of Physiotherapy at Apex School. The university library provides a vast collection of resources on physiotherapy, including textbooks, research articles, and online databases.
Hi, I am Shivangi from the capital city of our country, Delhi, pursuing the Bachelor of Physiotherapy at Apex University. My favorite spot on campus is the exercise lab, especially designed for fitness training, physical wellness activities and exercises.
I had a wonderful experience of learning and academic exposure in this reputed university. I feel myself very lucky to be a part of this university. I have so much love, respect and devotions towards the faculty members and the department. It's their effect that make me count myself a better professional in future.
This university is fantastic. The professors are knowledgeable and kind, and the campus is modern and well maintained. There are so many resources that help students succeed, that is, library and tutorial services. I had amazing experience here and highly recommend it to others.